In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to receive BTC or Bitcoin inside of Robinhood. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device, and then from here you'll need to open up Robinhood like you usually would. Now what you get inside of Robinhood, it should look something like this. And now from here you'll need to scroll down until you see Bitcoin inside of the crypto tab. You can also search for it down in the search bar over here, but it will also be visible in the crypto tab. From here, you'll just need to click on Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that you want to receive crypto for. Then from here, you'll need to scroll down right below your balance. You'll see Receive. Now, once you click Receive right here, it will give you a QR code and a long crypto wallet address that you can copy, and then you can just send it to the person that needs to send the Bitcoin to your Robinhood address. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!